Hey everybody, hope you're good. We're just ramping up for UC Expo 6th and 7th of October at Excel London, and I've got James with me from Luware. James, do you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi. Thanks for having me, Tom. So I'm Luware's VP of Customer Success, taking care of all things customer related and operational stuff.
Nice. And for those that don't know Luware, what do you do? What are you talking about at the UC Expo show?
So Luware is an ISV with Microsoft. So we build native solutions to bring customer services specifically into Microsoft Teams. Been around for about 10 years now, in fact, just over 10 years. Started out in the glory days of Skype for Business and all those UCMA apps, and now excited to be working on Microsoft Teams stuff. So at the Expo, I will be doing a talk called Brutally Honest, using Teams voice for customer service. Because let's be honest, I think there's been a time where we've all had a little groan at maybe something that Teams does or the way it does it. And obviously there's been a lot of different integration models for contact center or customer service stuff.
Yeah, I love
Since
that
Teams was
title.
introduced.
It's a confusing space with lots of different vendors and lots of different options. So
Absolutely
yeah,
is. Yeah.
if you're going to live up to that title of being brutally honest, I think that'll be a fantastic session.
I'm certainly going to try my best, yeah, but it certainly has been a confusing space. I think even today it continues to be so, with everyone claiming the term native because maybe they use one API or something like that. So
Yeah.
we're going to try and talk about that, but more so we'll talk about the challenges a little bit of some of the older approaches, but I really want to talk about what's exciting and coming next in the future, because there is some really cool stuff. Microsoft always giving us new APIs and capabilities there, so that's good. Looking forward to.
Yeah, I know you guys are already playing with the Azure communication services and kind of moving obviously into video modalities and multi-modality on Microsoft, which is really interesting.
Yeah, it's super exciting space actually, because we've had web chat and kind of go to browser solutions in the past with Skype for Business, but there was always that integration layer to translate the web RTC stuff into what Skype could handle in those solutions. With ACS, then we're fully native web RTC throughout the whole chain. Gives us a lot more capabilities, a lot more simple deployment model. We'll be actually introducing our Luware Interact in the coming next quarter is the most likely position for that. You can already see the preview on our webpage about Luware Interact.
Nice. And if people want to catch James and your team at the show, what's the stand number?
Yeah, so we'll definitely be at the show. We'll be on stand U46. I haven't seen the design for the stand yet, but we're famous for always bringing a barista. So I'm sure we'll be trying to do that, and you can guarantee some good coffee and you won't have to pay for it.
Nice. All right, thanks, James. So yeah, if you want to catch James and the team, it'll be at the show. And again, it's the 6th and 7th of October at Excel London. Get registered and hope to see you there. Thanks, James.
Thanks, Tom.